Yes, ready for the dictation. Start. While applying the principle of horizontal reservation, category has a role to play as at that point of time when horizontal reservation is to be pressed, then based on merit, candidates in question are to be adjusted in their respective social category. Stop. A candidate who has proceeded to make an application for the purposes of horizontal reservation under the OBC/SC/ST category cannot be permitted to change his/her category, whereas in vertical reservation, once you are selected on merit, such a change is permissible by operation of law, subject to his/her desire to remain as a general candidate. Stop. Apex Court in the case of Ritesh Shah versus Dr. Y.L. Yamul 1996 within bracket 3 SCC 253 also took the view that candidate belonging to reserved category who could be admitted on the basis of open merit should be treated as open category candidate for the purposes of computing reservation, but they should be given their first option for admission to graduate/postgraduate courses in colleges where seats are kept for reserved category, and thereafter less meritorious candidates be considered for admission in whichever college reserve seat is available. Stop. Subsection within bracket 5 of section 4 of 2006 Act is in line with the aforesaid judgment of Apex Court, as meritorious candidate has been given an option to remain as a general candidate or to exercise his option for the reserved seats. Stop. His/her merit as a general candidate would give a larger choice, that is to opt for unreserved seat, and can also go in for reserved category seats. Stop. Passage. In view of this, once a candidate has specified his/her category in reference to special reservation, then he/she has to be adjusted in their respective categories, and the reserved category candidate in horizontal reservation cannot ask for placement against open category by claiming that they have higher merit, in as much as at the point of time of providing horizontal reservation adjustment is to be made, then various adjustments is required to be done as per the formula that has been approved and ratified by the Apex Court. Stop. In the matter of horizontal reservation, adjustment would be made by making appropriate placement in appropriate categories. Stop. The Apex Court was conscious of this fact that such a provision may be subjected to misuse, and accordingly position was sought to be clarified by giving examples and then providing that if horizontal reservation is not satisfied, then alone requisite number of special reservation candidate have to be taken and accommodated/adjusted against their respective social reservation categories. Stop. Here before us during the course of arguments, this fact has been conceded that while applying the principle of horizontal reservation, the criteria prescribed for vertical reservation has been adhered to, in as much as opposite party number 5 was higher in merit, and in view of this, she has been called based on her state rank at earlier point of time than at the said point of time, as one seat at GSVM Medical College Kanpur reserved for NCC OBC stood filled up. The second NCC open category seat, which was lying vacant, has been offered to her. Stoppages. In the matter of horizontal reservation, once the reservation in question is a compartmentalized one, then every candidate has to be placed in the fixed place as per the social class from which he/she hails stop over.